To install our free email extractor on your computer, first thing you do, once you download the file is going to be under zip. You can see this is one is zip and this one is normal folder. So we need to unzip this file to convert it to this folder in order to open the application inside the folder. Right click on your mouse, extract all. Now continue extracting all. I can see this is already existing on my computer. You can do replace document if you want. Now this is the folder. You can double click it and this is the application here. Once you double click this application, it's going to automatically try to install on your computer by you are going to click this more info here and click run anywhere, and when yes or no pop up in your screen, all you have to do just click yes to continue installing the application. It's going to ask you, do you want to allow this application to make some changes? Just click yes and your installation will begin. Click install. Automatically you see that the extractor have started installing on your computer. When you finish, just click finish and pay close attention because the application is opening. Pay attention when you see this, the application is automatically installed and requesting for license key. So for you to get your free license key on this particular free extractor, is this one is a free version. I will tell you how to get pro on my WhatsApp group. You just copy this device ID by clicking copy or highlight this ID, device ID, and copy it. So this ID is ID you are going to send to me on WhatsApp or paste it on WhatsApp chat. You can paste it on our WhatsApp group. You can paste it on me on my DM, and I'm going to give you straight away free key for this. So let me show you how to get the key. I've copied it and I'm going to open my license key. All I have to do is click add key and I'm going to paste your device ID here. You guys are seeing the price, but I gave it to you free. As a member of my WhatsApp group community, I see it here is $39, but you are getting it free. I'm just going to choose how many days I want this to last because I'll use this computer for demo a lot. I'm going to do 3 days because almost I'm going to be showing this again and again, teaching people how to install it. Let me just do 2 days. I'm going to click generate key and copy the key. The key only work on one computer and the computer is my computer. So I can go ahead and close everything to go back to this particular page. So here inside the open space is where I will paste my license key. Next thing to do, just click OK to activate your key. And as your key authorized successfully, just click OK. And your email extractor automatically install. This email extractor, you can start email on Map, you can start email on any social media platform of your choice. You can load any domain or delete any domain. You can type your keyword here by right clicking on your mouse, click add, and load your keyword CEO. And here you can just click, let's select Instagram and click start. And as it's automatically start extracting, here you can always drag this and drag if you don't want to see where you're extracting email, or if you want to take it to the high, you can always close it. Or you can drag it down to see where you are collecting data together. You can see that the extractor automatically start extracting email. I'm going to short this email because they can ban my account. They don't just like it. And I'm also going to short number, phone number. So you can also follow people on Twitter or to follow. I'm going to do video how to use this to work on Twitter and also Medium. There's a lot of way to use them to also on Twitter and Medium. You can also extract email on the URL. But for now, this is all about installing the software. And this particular extractor is a free version. Of course, you have limit, and when the limits start disturbing you, Google verification keep popping up. You don't have any means to bypass it. So that's why to be pro user is going to be much benefit for you, because on pro you can pass any Google verification, asking you, are you a robot? This that you can pass it on on pro. So I hope you like this, and I will be teaching everything about how to install, how to use this particular free one on my free group, WhatsApp group. And we have pro WhatsApp group. We also have a proxy WhatsApp group. So make sure you join and get more this year.